is no doubt we could have died right here.
The crew escaped, navigating through thick smoke. One recurring nightmare remains.
You weren't worried about your house burning. You weren't worried about the fact that you had abandoned your family to go firefighting and they were at home defending. What's really worried you was that you may not have come back.
In the state's southeast, 2,000 square kilometres of farmland, properties and pine forests were destroyed. 300,000 cattle and sheep were killed.
It was the hell that we will never forget.
Mike Kemp was the youngest CFS leader in the state at the time.
We had people screaming at us over the radio saying people's lives are at risk, and there had been people's lives lost. We were trying to help, but we couldn't. We were having enough trouble saving our own lives.